When solving an exponential equation with unlike bases, meaning bases that cannot be made equal very easily, you need to use logarithms to properly solve them. You can use either the common log or you can use the natural log. Both will give you the exact same answer. It just depends on the preference of the person solving that problem, that person being you. Now, I prefer using ln, and the reason why is because of equations like this. In this equation, I have an e. And when I use natural log and e, they tend to cancel each other out. Makes it nice when you're trying to have a whole bunch of writing, and it kind of simplifies it down a bit. So e raised to the x plus 3 equals pi to the x. So I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So ln e to the x plus 3 equals ln pi to the x. Now I can move my exponents to the front as coefficients. So x plus 3 ln e equals x ln pi. And remember, when you have ln e, it just means 1. So that's what happens here. Since this is ln e times this, it's really just 1 times x plus 3. So I'm just left with x plus 3 equals x ln pi. So much less writing now. Now I have an x on the left and the right hand side of the equation, so I move all the x's to one side and all the non-x's, the 3, to the other. So I'm going to have x minus x ln pi equals negative 3. And here I can factor an x out because it's common to both terms. So x times 1 minus ln pi equals negative 3. And I'm going to move it over here for a little more room. So I'm going to divide the 1 minus ln pi over to the right side, solve for x. So x is going to equal negative 3 over 1 minus ln pi. And here is the exact answer, but if you want the decimal approximation, just plug into your calculator very carefully because there's a lot going on here. You will get 20.728 to 3 decimal places. So again, this is the approximate answer to 3, and the answer with ln in it is the exact answer. Here we have 5 raised to the x minus 2 equals 3 raised to the 3x plus 2. So again, to move my exponents down as coefficients, I'm going to take the natural log of both sides. So ln 5 x minus 2 equals ln 3 3x plus 2. Now I can move my exponents in front. So x minus 2 ln 5 equals 3x plus 2 ln 3. And now I need to distribute the ln 5 into the parentheses and distribute the ln 3 into the parentheses. Doing so will give me x ln 5 minus 2 ln 5 equals 3x ln 3 plus 2 ln 3. So just like before, I have x's on the left and right hand side. So I'm going to subtract the 3x ln 3 over and add the 2 ln 5 over so I can get everything on its own side. So x ln 5 minus 3x ln 3 equals 2 ln 5 plus 2 ln 3. Now I can factor out an x, so I can get 1x by itself. So x times ln 5 minus 3 ln 3 equals 2 ln 5 plus 2 ln 3. And now finally I can solve for x. I can divide the ln 5 minus 3 ln 3 over, and that will give me x equals 2 ln 5 plus 2 ln 3 over ln 5 minus 3 ln 3. And here will be my exact answer. But again, if you need the decimal, and if you do, I highly recommend being very careful. Type what's up top first, get a number, type what's in the bottom next, get that number, and then divide the 2, because trying to type it all in at one time, it's very easy to make a mistake. But if you do it successfully, you should get negative 3.212 as the approximate answer for this equation.